Hey guys, it's Jillian, Carroll, Letrinko, and I'm so excited to be able to hop into this gorgeous ride. So back on August 27th, I sent out a tweet that's hinted at Travis Kelce possibly arriving to Monday Night Football in a restored car, worked on by the kids at Operation Breakthrough, and it's right here, and I get to go for a test drive. I'm so pumped. Come with me, let's go check it out. Look at this. Seatbelts for safety?
Yes.
Seatbelts for safety. All right, guys, we're in. And this is my guy, Oz.
Hi.
Hello. This is beautiful. Okay, and we're moving. So talk to us about the model.
Yeah.
Year, make, model, all the good.
1969 Chevelle SS. Rear drive unit from a Model S, battery pack from a Model S. It's the extended range pack. We actually set it up for 87 kilowatts on purpose to kind of honor Travis's involvement with it.
Very cool. That was like 0 to 60, 0 to 70. But I feel safe, which is nice. I think I'm blown away by how smooth it is.
Front's basically stock. The rear is kind of a hybrid Chevelle C4 Corvette 2016 Model S kind of molded together. So the students had to figure out all of the systems, which is really kind of what we're about, is trying to put young people in a position to fail and fail a lot.
Yeah.
Figure stuff out.
So they can learn. That's very cool.
There's a microcomputer that senses its position and sends a signal to the electric motor to tell it that it's in drive.
What percentage would you say of the car is original parts to added or aftermarket?
Well, since the entire drivetrain has been swapped out, maybe 30% is probably original.
And is it mostly like interior?
The interior, the body. We did replace 60% of the metal. The students did the body work.
Wow.
Cut off the rear quarter panels, and yeah, they spent about 1.5 years just doing body work.
Holy moly. Are there any limitations? Obviously, you know, there's weather and things like that, but any limitations for the car?
No, I mean, you can drive it in any condition.
So cool. One lucky winner is going to take this home. Insane. I'm essentially sitting where maybe Taylor Swift could be sitting.
Yeah.
I love that. I just can't get over how smooth it is.
The whole goal is to try to give young people as much confidence as possible before they go out into the world.
Yeah.
So
That's like the trajectory of their life because of the interest piece, and it's so real life, you know? This is so sick. This is wild. It's so cool though. And it's amazing that students worked on it. Very, very cool.